morning students. Today we are discussing the chapter 6th chapter. The topic is write the place value of 6 in each of the following. In your last class we learn about the place value chart. Here we are knowing place values. Write the place values. Okay, let's see all of you. First one. See here which is the whole number and which is the decimal values. See, this is the whole number and this is, what is this? Decimals. These are the decimals. Let's write in the whole numbers place values. You write down the place values from left to right. Ones, tens. See here in the decimals we have consider the numbers from right to left. Okay, right to left. In the right side, first number that is tens. The second number is hundreds. The third number is thousand. After given the place values, you see the which place value we want. Okay, we want here 6th place value, right? So check here where is the 6. Here it is, right? So underline the 6 and write the place value of 6. What is the place value of 6? 6th place value is tens. See, tens. Okay, na? So the place value of 6 is tens place. So see here, one more. Place value of 6 is tens or tens. Okay, let's see the second one. First identify which are the place values and which are the decimal values. See left side point, left side numbers are the whole numbers. Next decimal value, these are the decimal values, these are the whole numbers. So ones, tens. Here tens, hundreds, thousands. See here which is the 6? Is it? No. Here? No. Where is the 6? This is the 6. So see here 6 is in which place? Teenage means not 1,000. This is point before, point after, right? Point after numbers because those are tens. Those are decimal values. So how to read that values? Tens, hundreds, thousands. That's why 6 is in the place of thousands. So write down thousands. The place value of 6 is, what is the place? Thousands. Let's see this one. This one. See here. Directly you identify 6. Where is 6? This is 6. Okay. Put underline decimal value. You just consider decimal value. This is tens, hundreds, thousands. The 6th place value is hundreds. Okay. Hundreds. That means the place value of 6 is what? Hundreds. What? Hundreds. Okay. Let's see the next one. Here we have whole number and decimal values. Here we have the 6. So what is the 6th place? Tens, hundreds, thousands. Here the 6 is in the place of tens. So write down the tens. Tens. So 6 is in the place of tens. The place value of is, what is the place? The place is tens. What is the place? Tens. So understood children, these four sums. These type of sums are in your textbook page number 81. Second topic we have some sums. All of you do these sums. See this one. Write the following in standard form. Write the following in standard form. See the first one. See here we have some numbers. Some brackets are there here. See 7 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. 7 is common. See this 3 by 10. How to write in the decimal? First write on the 3 numerator. And how many digits after point? 1 digit before. So that is 3 before the point. 0 plus 3. 0.3. Is it right? Yes. Let's take again plus. See 2 by 100. Write on the first numerator. See here we have how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 2 digits before you put point. 1, 2. There is no number. That's why you put 0. Okay. That's why you put 0. So 1, 2 digits are there before you put point. Take a 0 after. Okay. 0.02. Let's see here. The numerator is 5. Write on the 5. And see how many zeros we have? 3 zeros. 3 zeros. So see here we have only 1 digit. In the remaining 2 digits what we have to do? So keep in the 2 digits places zeros. Okay children? 1, 2. So these 3 are the 3 digits. 1000 satisfied now? So before you put the point and take 0 after. Understood? Very easy as sums are decimals. This chapter is very easy and these sums are also very easy. You have to practice, okay? Let's see. 7. 7 is the whole number, right? So take a point and put 0. This means not a problem. Okay, 7.0 means no problem. This is the whole number. 7.0 or 7 is also a single number. Okay. If you don't want, don't take it. No problem. Let's take the first one. 0. Point before numbers. You write down a point before, point after. So, it don't have a point. That's why I am keeping here point. Okay. There is no values now. 7 after. That's why I kept there 1 0. Okay. If you want it, then you keep it. If you don't want it, then leave it. Okay. Let's see. 0.3. That means 0 is the whole number and 0.3. Understood? Let's see. 0.02. 0 is the whole number. Point straight point. 02 means 02. 0 and 2. Next. 0.005. 0.005. Understood children? So these all are the plus. That means addition. So do the addition now. Is it there any numbers? No. So write on the 5. Is it there any numbers? No. Only we have 2. So write on the 2. Here any numbers are there? No. We have 3. 3.7. 7.325 is the answer of this question. Understood children? Is it easy or tough? Very easy. Okay. Let's come to this sum. Come to this sum. 600 plus 40 plus 3. First add these 3. Write down these 3. 600 plus 40 plus 3 plus 6 by 1000. how to write this 6 by 1000. See here, how many digits are there? How many zeros are there in the 1000? 3 zeros. That's why first take a numerator and see we have only one digit. We need more than 2 more digits, right? So we already have one digit. We want 2 more. That is, you keep in the 2 digit places zeros. Okay. First one is 6, 0, 0. 3 digits are completed. Before you put the point and take 0. Okay. Before you put the point and take 0. Let's do it. Add the numbers. Okay. Let's see. 643. Okay. In every place you should keep a point and put 1 0. Because we don't have a point value, that's why I kept here 1 point and I put there 1 0. After write down the decimal value 0.006. Now add it. Any digits are there? No. 6. Any numbers are there? No. We have only 0, 0. Here? No. All are zeros. So 0. Point. Here 3. Here 4. Here 6. So what is the answer? 643.006. The answer is 643.006. So this is about the standard form. We have one more sum here. Let's see. 70 plus 3 plus 8 by 10. 8 by 10 means write the numerator. 10 means 1 before point. So 1 before point and take 0. Plus 6 by 1000. 6 by 1000 means first write down 6 and how many digits we have? 3 digits. In the 1 digit place we put the 6 and what about remaining 2 places? Zeros, right? Right side, left side or right side of 6? Which place? Right or left? Left. 0, 0. 6 left side you keep the zeros and take a point and put the 0. Okay, is it clear? Let's add it. 70.03.0 here 0.8 next 0.006. Understood? Let's see. 6 here 0 here 8.37. The answer is, see here, 73.806. Let's see all of you. 8 is in the tens place, 6 is in the thousand place. 0 has 0 in the tens place. So here we don't have a which place? Tens place. Okay, but you have to mention that. Understood, children, these 3 sums? These are very easy once all of you note down. All of you see these sums? We have some sums in your textbook. Solve it and practice every day.